Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Bittorrent token. In this video I'm talking about the Bittorrent price. The Bittorrent price since occur in the last 1 hour, in the last 1 day, in the last 1 week. And I'm talking about the very important mistake of the BTT holders doing at this time friends. Please don't do this mistake. If you do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the loss, and if you save from this mistake, so you are in the profit friends. For more details, keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, please I request all of you that please subscribe every stake channel and like this video for more this kind of news and important updates videos friends. Anyways, let's start the video friends and let's move on. First of all, the current price of the Bittorrent token BTT as 0.005999 USD dollar is the current price of the BTT. On the either side, if you look, the price changes occur in the Bittorrent token, so absolutely the price is going very barely fast downwards. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price change is negative, last 1 day price change is negative, last 1 week price change is negative. The Bittorrent token price fast down from the previous last 1 week friends. What's the reason behind it, why the price is fast down, and when the price is start again jump? In this video I will show you. Keep watch. Let's see the price chart of the Bittorrent token for more details. As you can see here, if you look at the chart, so the whole week price fast occur in the Bittorrent token. So friends, remember that on the basis of the cryptocurrencies market processes. So as you can see here, that is the common cryptocurrencies market, that is the common phenomena process, that after a falls there is a jump. Same like that. As you can see here, if you look the Bittorrent token, so as you can see here, the Bittorrent token is already fast down from the previous last 1 week friends. So now it's time to take a jump friends. But friends, as you can see here, at this time, as I show you, at this time a lot of holders doing a very big mistake on this time friends. As you can see here, the price is fast down friends, and a lot of holders decide to sell BTT token friends. But absolutely that's a really bad mistake of all BTT holder friends. Don't do this mistake and be safe from Bittorrent token loss friends. As you can see here, now after a fast there is a jump, so that is phenomena. On the basis of this phenomena there is a jump. I think that's my prediction, that after a few hours or tomorrow the BTT is taken a jump, and this jump of the BTT is very high jump of the Bitcoin token friends. Remember that friends. Anyways, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Bitcoin token, negative 25.09% changes occur in the Bitcoin token, and the high price is 0.008022 USD dollar is the highest price of Bitcoin token friends. My personal advice is that it's time to hold BTT token friends, not to sell friends. And as you know, my prediction is already 100% positive that the future of the Bitcoin token is very bright. The big pump is coming soon tomorrow. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box. And kindly please remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest, buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research please. My suggestion for all of you is to hold at this time is BTT. Please subscribe to channels for more news and updates.